I am Masi Geshangi, the country lead for the Grasa Machel Trust in Kenya and the program manager for Women Creating Wealth Intergenerational in Kenya. Today we are at the Kenya Cottage Industry Expo at the Hotel Boulevard, and this is organized by our partners, the Kayana Center, in conjunction with Conferencing in the Box. We are here today to advance market access for our women entrepreneurs. In Kenya, we currently have 700 entrepreneurs in our Women Creating Wealth Intergenerational Program. These women all require access to markets as well as access to finance. And access to markets here then means that they are given the skills to be able to ensure that their products are compliant to access both the local and the international market, but also that they know where the market is and they know what the market requires. So this Kenya Cottage Industry Expo today has brought on board different regulators from the government of Kenya, that's the Kenya Revenue Authority. We have KILDI, and we have private sector players like the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and many other supporting partners who help the women entrepreneurs to become compliant, but also to access market opportunities. So we are here today to help our women entrepreneurs meet with these different stakeholders, get to learn from them about the different compliance mechanisms they need to meet for their businesses, which are varied through different sectors, but also to get an opportunity to meet the regulators and ask those hard questions they've always had. Also to leave this place knowing the next level they should be able to take their business in terms of compliance, and especially for those that want to access the international market. So the next 2 days we are here to be able to get the entrepreneurs to learn, to be able to get them to network, to be able to get them to also have an opportunity to sell their products to the populace that is able to come into this event.
So this is our 5th Kenya Cottage Industry Expo. It is hosted by Kayana Creates, which is a community of entrepreneurs that support small and micro businesses in the ideation stage. What research has shown us is that 80% of the employed people in Kenya are actually employed by this particular sector. And so we feel that it's important to invest not only in supporting the businesses commercially, but also in ensuring that through regulation that they remain robust and are able to scale without having too many obstacles in the growth process. So this is really what the Kenya Cottage Expo is about. And we realized when we have events where we can bring entrepreneurs together, they're able to network with each other, they're able to have peer-to-peer sharing, peer-to-peer learning in a non-threatening environment. We're also very fortunate because we then have regulators here like KILDI, KRA, KEBS, who remain with us for the 2 days of the expo, and the entrepreneurs are able not only to ask them around the processes of getting certification, but even to share their actual products with them so that they can also interact with the products that they certify. This event has been truly successful. We've held it twice. This is the third time in Nairobi, in Nakuru and in Mombasa, and we hope with time we'll be able to scale it to the counties, especially now that we have the government forming more collaborative work within government sectors like with the Karibu centers. Then we'll be able to bring the entrepreneurs together as well to ask questions, to gain knowledge, and simply to make regulation something that is accessible rather than something that is a hindrance to the growth of their businesses. We have had a fantastic collaboration with Grasa Machel Trust and the leadership in that organization, where they continuously help. What happens is because the Kayana creates a pipeline of entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs are able to feed into their capacity building programs and ultimately access finance at the end of the channel. So this is a really great partnership. We also partner with New Faces, New Voices, which is one of the arms of GMT, and through that we were able to host a huge capacity building for over 146 entrepreneurs in the gig economy. So we have had a fantastic collaboration with Customer Trust, and we hope it will continue.
My name is Victor Otieno. I'm the Managing Director of VIFA Consult, which is an SME policy think tank based in Nairobi, Kenya. The cottage industry, the cottage conversation that we've been having is around supporting micro small businesses, where largely a lot of them still are informal. Around 5 million out of 7.5 million SMEs are informal. 70% of SMEs operate within the wholesale retail sector. So these are the people that we are focusing on in terms of conversation, trying to unpack regulation, looking at the different regulatory agencies, exploring how we can be able to really support micro small businesses, especially when in manufacturing, to ensure that they are competitive both in Kenya as well as globally.
This is DPI, this is our team, Digital Packaging Innovations. We are at the Cottage Expo 2024. The interaction with people has been good so far. I think we're the only packaging guys here, so we deal with packaging. Our factories in Ruiru, and we are just excited to support all the SMEs, micro SMEs, and all the good guys out there with packaging needs.